Hey guys, what's up? It's Emmy. Welcome back to GenZ Experiment. If you don't remember, a little while ago I did a video of me trying to do my makeup. And if you haven't watched that video, you should definitely check it out. I will leave a link down below. And let's just say it was an epic fail. So, I've watched some more makeup videos. I've practiced some more. I've gotten some better makeup supplies, so I'm going to try this again because I feel like I can do it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on started with the makeup. Okay, so I don't have any primer once again, so I'm just gonna skip that step. So I'm just gonna dot it on my face like so. So now that the foundation is all on, as you can see, I'm just gonna blend it in with my beauty blender.
You're supposed to do like this. It actually says to put on your fingertips and you just apply with your fingertips.
Why didn't you just tell me that? I want this to be a full coverage glam, okay? Okay. I think the foundation application this time is definitely a lot better. I'm gonna take this Urban Decay All-Nighter Concealer and I'm gonna do a little doodah there. Whoa, it's kind of a lot. Okay, now I'm just gonna take this brush. It's definitely not for blending in concealer, but I mean, it gets the job done pretty well, and that's all that matters here. Okay, my concealer is all blended, I think. Now it's time to do some baking, yes. Like how all the beauty gurus do it. I'm just tapping out some powder. This stuff happens to not be translucent, but we work with what we got. I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm just putting it under my eyes to set the concealer so it doesn't crease. So moving on, I'm taking my Tarte Treasure Box. I'm taking this angled brush and I'm dipping in to this bronzer right here. I'm just gonna, whoa! Oh shoot, that was a lot. Apply that into the hollows of our cheeks, I think. Then I'm gonna take a little more and run it around the perimeter of my face to, you know, minimize the forehead appearance and the temples, jawline. Now, what I'm gonna do to sharpen up that bronzer is I'm taking some more setting powder. Just sharpen up that contour. We're gonna let that bake on there and then we'll brush it off later. Now I'm gonna do some blush. Whoa, everything I just realized matches the background. Look at these brushes. They're like metallic-y teal colored and they perfectly match. Anyways, so I'm taking this Tarte, this one. By the way, this is not sponsored by Tarte. I wish it was, but I mean obviously it wouldn't be. So the blush step is done and now we're going to move on to highlighter. So I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. I used it in my last video. I highly recommend it. It's very good, very pigmented, and very blinding. Let's tackle the brows right now. That's alright. We're going for some thick brows today. And now we're just gonna blend it all out. These brows are definitely sisters, not twins. They may even be cousins, but that's okay. So now I'm gonna clean up underneath the brows. So I'm gonna take some concealer. Whoa, well that was intense. So the brows are done, the face base is done. Now it's time for the eyes. For the eyes, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Magic Star. First, I'm gonna start with this really light color called Magical, and I'm putting it all over my eyelid. Now I'm taking this shade called Euphoria, and this is gonna be my transition shade, I think. Now I'm going to be taking this color called Starry, and I'm gonna use this to darken out the crease and the outer corners of my eyes. Next I'm going to be using this color right here called Festival. This is a more cool tone color and I'm just going to use that to pull things down a bit. Now we're gonna move on to the lower lash line. I'm gonna take this smaller brush. I'm gonna use that same color called Starry, and I'm gonna put it in the lower lash line on the outer edge. Okay, so now that my eyeshadow is all done, I also added some highlight to my brow bone. Next I'm taking this Tarte eyeliner. I'm going to attempt a wing. Last time I tried, it didn't work. I think I can do it, so let's just go for it. This wing is pretty rough, but it's better than last time, so we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. We're gonna move on, taking this Tarte mascara, and I'm gonna sweep it onto my lashes. I'm done with the eyes completely, and I'm gonna move on to the lips. I'm using this little lip pencil end just to line my lips before putting on the lip stuff. Okay, so I finished with my lips, and this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below who your favorite beauty guru is, and don't forget to click that big red subscribe button down below to see more weekly videos from GenZ Experiment, and I will see you guys all next Monday. Bye! Ooh, this is really attractive.